Hey friends, it's Brielle. In today's episode, we're doing something a little different. Something a little edgy, if you will. Not really edgy. We'll be opening mini brand. Now, I've never opened any mini brands, but I've seen lots of TikToks, lots of YouTubers are doing it, so I wanted to jump on the bandwagon and do it too. So, if you like mini brands, drag queens, and balls, stick around.
Hey friends, it's Brielle, hoping everybody's doing well. We'll make some memories today with Brielle Barlowe.
So most recently, I've seen YouTuber Bunny, aka Graveyard Girl, aka Wacky Bananas or something like that, opening a bunch, and she was looking for one in particular. I don't remember which one. I don't remember, but it looked fun. I've seen TikToks on it. I've seen friends do it, so I wanted to try it because I'm a trendsetter, trend follower. So let's start. The directions on opening it. Scissors! You'd think this would make it easier to have nails. Oh. That went well. Half the video is going to be me opening shit. I mean, that's the point, I guess. But, like, literally me opening it. Wait, there's more! As if one layer of frustration wasn't enough. Ooh, this is much easier. They're not supposed to fall apart, I don't think. Okay, ready? This is my very first one. Wait, where's the thing to peel it? Oh my lord. I found it. I got Velveeta! My favorite! Pickles! I love pickles. They're cute! I love cute things. Cheese! Baby Bell. I love Baby Bell cheese too. Here's the list. Okay, you can tell me if they're rare or not, Dr. Barlowe. I got Miracle Whip. Ew! I am team mayonnaise all the way. Sorry, no offense, Miracle Whip. I don't know what this is, but it's port salt.
Port Salut.
Oh, Port Salut.
It's cheese.
Oh, it's cheese. Christopher worked in a cheese shop. That was fun. Number 2. Oh!
It's good.
She's a professional now. She's a professional handling those balls. All right, here you guys go. Ready? Is it a good one? A1 sauce. Those will be cute earrings too. Ready? You guys this is your guys' ball. We're gonna take turns. What did you get? Borson! Garlic and herb. Is it cheese? Okay, ready? Here you guys go. What'd you get? Stubbs! Barbecue sauce! What'd you get? Nut fins. Good job! I'm a common bitch. Basic and common. Number 3. This one's mine. You guys have to close your eyes when I reveal them, okay? Your guys is open easier than mine. Here we go. I don't really like the packaging. I think it's wasteful. Like, what do you do with these? Here we go. Oh, I didn't. Ooh. These ones didn't fall apart. Okay, we're gonna start here. No peeking. Close your eyes. It's shiny. I got shiny nut fins. These are fun. Everyone collected Pokemon cards. I would get behind this. Oh, yay. The Laughing Cow. Cheese dippers. I'm assuming all the rares and stuff are shinies. Like Pokemon. That's the only thing I know about Pokemon. And that you want to catch them all. Cinnamon. These are so cute. I say cute a lot. That's something I've noticed in my videos. Is I say cute a lot. Paprika. Last one in this ball. That's not food. What is it? Monday. lotion or shampoo. I've never even heard of that. Am I living under a rock? All right, it's your guys' turn. Ball 4, that's yours. That's the worst part, is opening these damn things. Ugh. Ooh, that sounds good. I think you guys did a good job on this one. We're gonna start with this one, you guys. Okay, tell me if it's good or not. Well, not everybody all at once. You guys couldn't see it. It's crushed red pepper. I haven't got any duplicates yet. I know that happens. All right, here you guys go. 1, 2. Crystal Light. Oh, I like Crystal Light lemonade. I like Crystal Light raspberry iced tea. 1, 2, 3. Well, Jello! Jello. We can't say anything. We see you, Bill. Well, I couldn't even see it. It's Leerdammer Light. It's Swiss cheese, I'm assuming. That wasn't very good open. Well, what is it? Oh, it's my first duplicate. We got another pizza Lunchable. But you know what that means, you guys? I'm gonna make me Lunchable earrings. Ooh, yeah. Watch. You guys, next time, make sure you stick around. The next time you see me, I'm gonna have pizzeria. Lunchable earrings. Is that it? Good job, you guys. You didn't get anything good, but you tried. My turn. All right. I am getting better opening these, in case you haven't noticed. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Shake and bake. It was shake and bake, and I helped. You know. Another piece. Do they really need to give these every time? Cinnamon! It's our second duplicate. We got 2 cinnamons. Kool-Aid! Oh yeah! Heinz 57 sauce. This shit is the best. I love it. I will eat it on anything. Thousand Island dressing. Not my favorite. I have a little grocery store going on. That's just like a lot of ways. What do people do anything with these? If you guys know something that people do, like a craft or something people do with these, let me know. That's a waste. Last one, number 6. This one's for you. You guys better do good. That was satisfying. Ready? That was good too. Drum roll. It's our first triplicate. More cinnamon. This is literally what my pantry looks like. I probably have 3 jars of cinnamon in it. Everyone does, because you don't use cinnamon often enough, and you go to the store, and you're like, do I have cinnamon at home? I don't know. So you grab another one, and then you get home and you have another one, and then you rinse and repeat the next time you go to the store, and you need cinnamon. Coffee. You gotta have coffee. That was a good one, you guys. Another double. Crystal Light. We don't have one of these yet. It's a bottle of ketchup. That's embarrassing. My socks are hanging out. Last one, okay? This is the last one, you guys, this time. More shampoo. Fun. That was fun. Thanks for doing that with me. If you like today's video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications. That way you're the first to know when I put up new content. You guys think of anything else you'd like to see me open or do? Leave it in the comments. I'm willing to try anything. Within reason. And as always, be nice, be kind, and love one another. Bye! Christopher! Why are you gonna let my socks hang out of my titties?
I didn't know they were